York, y'all in trouble. But I'm gonna tell y'all, it's not just New York. Philly, you're not looking good either. Detroit, Chicago, Miami, yo, every single city got this problem. Lead in the soil, y'all, is killing us. All right, lead is a neurotoxin. I'm talking about it gets in your blood. It goes from the soil into your mouth, into your blood, and then it poisons our bodies. And the effects last forever. All right, we don't even realize that there's actual poison in our soil, y'all. So listen, this is the work that I do here at Free Haven Farms. I study the soil. Lead in the soil has been a problem on our planet for like 100 years. And we got to address it because we're telling y'all to grow your own food. But before you grow your own food, you got to get your soil tested. All right. And this is the work that I do. So we got soil testing available for y'all right now. And then we also have a course that we're going to teach y'all about soil. So click the link in the bio, get the soil test, get into our class. All right. You got to get this information before